How's it going, guys? It's Danish. I'm currently driving. Probably shouldn't be doing this, but fuck it. So right now I'm on my way to my homie's house. I'm actually already almost there. He actually lives pretty close to me. On the way to the homie's house right now. We're about to film a really quick video with his new car. He's got a fat ass exhaust on it. I want to get some clips of that for you guys so you guys can hear how absolutely loud this thing is. We're gonna do some clips with the silencer on it and the silencer off of it. Hopefully we get some shots of it on the freeway so you guys can hear like how loud the drone is. Also just daily driving it, how loud it sounds. But actually I'm just about to pull up, so I'll see you guys in just a moment. Ooh, what is it, 04?
08.
08, goddamn. Oh wait, 350. That's the exhaust. Oh, hopefully you guys can see inside there. That thing is fucking fat, bro. And low too. How do you not scrape that, bro?
I'm surprised I don't. I gotta go hella sideways.
Oh, and a fucking carbon fiber hood. Yes, sir. And the fucking fenders. Sheesh. This thing is fucking clean, boy. And fucking low as shit. It's actually not too bad. Oh, damn, damn. Okay, okay. Damn. Alright, boys, let's go for a fucking win. Hey, thanks, bro.
Got you.
Got that VIP opening the door for me. Alright, let's get this shit fucking popping, bro. You gonna scrape right now or what?
Maybe a little bit.
Oh,
I'm going pretty sideways though. Clean.
Damn! That's a fat ass driveway too. It's honestly hella quiet.
It's way quieter than even stock.
Yeah. Oh, and you got the interior done?
A little bit.
A little bit? Yeah, I see in the back that shit's still not finished. It's actually insanely quiet with the suppressor on.
Yeah.
Considering it's just what, like a 10mm bolt that holds it on in place? Like
10mm bolt, and it's like held in there by the exhaust. I gotta push it in. It's not bad for a fucking Tomei.
Dude, yeah, for a Tomei, like, this is hella quiet. Like, it's crazy how much of a difference that silencer makes. Didn't you say that the silencer, like, popped out when you were coming back when you bought the car?
Yeah. Like, G35 revved at me, so I was like, bet I'll rev back. And, like, I look in my rearview mirror and it's just fucking bouncing on the floor.
Flying out.
Oh, shit.
Alright, boys. Time for the Denny stop. We're gonna take that silencer off. Then fun get some real boy pulls up in this bitch. Ah, shit, mother bird is calling, bro.
Alright, well then you do it later.
Okay, love you.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
How cute. Alright, let's rip that silencer off, bro. Oh.
Bro, that shit's hot.
Just beating the fuck out of it.
Bro, it's hella hot.
We're fucking cavemen out here. There you go.
Ah!
How you gonna grab that shit out, bro?
You don't. Well, I mean, you kind of do.
Are you just gonna rev it out?
Yup.
No way, you were lying. Are you actually?
I swear.
Y'all can see this. I've literally never seen this. Am I gonna get smacked by this? Nope. Holy shit. That thing went fucking airborne. What the fuck? I feel like this is the most ricer thing I've ever done.
Tomei with the test pipes.
Hell yeah, Tomei with the test pipes going loud, bro. I'm gonna cut the commentary right now, boys. That way y'all can just enjoy the sound of this exhaust. Onto the fucking freeway we go, boys. You drove from Vegas with this loud? There you go, bro, Nevada.
That's the homie.
Think he's on a race or what? Oh, yeah.
Damn.
Those crackles, dude. Fucking nutties. Oh.
Yeah, we're good.
And be rolling. This thing is fucking loud as shit. It might already be recording, I'm not sure.
Because of the tune, you kind of need to like gas it a little hard around 2000. But then.
Bro, it drives smooth.
That's what I'm saying, bro. It drives so nice.
Like, I feel like it literally shifts for me. Like,
Hella clean. So easy.
I'll make you a turn real quick.
Yeah, that's fine.
I think we should be fine, right? Just give it do a pull real quick. Not like hella hard, but bro, that is insane, bro.
Fucking hella loud.
It feels so satisfying driving it too.
Yeah, I know. Like it feels so much better than the G35 did. It's
Rex, I
weird.
remember I struggled with the G35.
Yeah,
like
this
when I-
one's super smooth.
Fucking see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fucking 880. Yes, sir. Damn, there be hella cars though. Damn, son.
Alright, it's time.
It's pull time.
Yup.
Second gear pull. Let's fucking get it, boys.